Hi students, now 11th problem. A cube minus 125 minus 2a plus 10. They told to factorize. Solution given. A cube minus 125 minus 2a plus 10. From the first two terms, I am writing in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube as it is 125. Write the factors for 125. 5 table goes 25 times. Again 5 table goes 5 times. So in the place of 125, you are going to write 5 cube. In this way, you have to find factors. This is part and parcel of the problem. So we change 125 as 5 cube. And from the next two terms, I am taking minus 2 as common. Quite opposite. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So minus 2 came outside, a is left. When we are taking minus common, plus becomes minus. 2 goes in 10 5 times. Now a cube minus 5 cube means in the formula, which formula? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Very easy to remember these formulas. If you get minus here, automatic here plus. This is small logic. No magic, just apply logic. Don't do magic here. Suppose here comes plus, there comes minus. Quite opposite. Keep in mind. So here a minus b is there. Here also a minus b. A cube minus b cube. So a minus, here minus is there, minus. When minus comes here, automatic here plus comes. If it is a cube plus b cube, here a plus b comes and here minus comes. In this manner you learn these formulas. Don't by heart. If you by heart can't remember. Logical way you remember. Now in the place of a is there. In the place of b, 5 is there. So a minus 5 into a square plus a into 5. This is multiplication. Plus 5 square. Don't forget this one. We did problem up to here only. First term only. First part only we did. Still second term is there. Some will forget this one. Don't forget. Minus 2 into a minus 5. Now a minus 5 into a square plus 5a plus 5 5s are 25 minus 2 into a minus 5. How many terms are there? 2 terms. This is first term, second term. 2 terms are there. In 2 terms, a minus 5 is common. So on the whole you take a minus 5 as common and remaining is a square plus 5a plus 25 and this minus 2 because we took common this one. So minus 2. Now simplify. If any simplification is there, you have to simplify. A minus 5 into a square plus 20, a square plus 5a plus, here you are subtracting, 25 minus 2 is 23. So this is the final answer. Coming to the next problem. 8a cube by 27 minus b cube by 8. Already you know the factors for 8. 2 cube. 2 cube, a cube means 2a whole cube. And 27 means 3 cube. So in the place of 27 I have written 3. 2a by 3 whole cube. This cube is for both numerator and denominator. That's why we are keeping brackets. Minus, here b cube as it is and 8 I am writing as 2 cube. So b by 2 whole cube. Now again which formula? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Write the formula. Which formula we are using, that formula you have to mention compulsory. I know. Why to write? Don't think like that. You have to mention that formula. 2a by 3 minus b by 2 into, in the place of a, what is that? 2a by 3. So 2a by 3 whole square plus 2a by 3 into b by 2 plus b by 2 whole square. Now simplify. 2a by 3 minus b by 2 as it is. Here 2 2s are 4, a square. So 4a square 3 is 9. So 4a square by 9. If any simplification is there, this is multiplication. You can simplify it. Here 2 goes into 1 time. So 1ab is ab. ab by 3 plus b square by 4. 2 2s are 4. So this is the final answer. 17th problem. A cube minus 0.064. Solution given. A cube minus 0.064. 64 we know the factors. 4 cube. But here decimal is there. So after 3 digits decimal is there. So 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 will be the answer. 0.064. 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 after 3. So don't be afraid seeing decimals. Nothing, easy only. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now a minus 0.4 into a square plus a into 0.4 plus 0.4 whole square. Now a minus 0.4 as it is into a square plus 0.4a plus 4 4s are 16. 0.4 into 0.4, 0.4 into 0.4. After 2 decimals, 4 4s are 16. After 2 digits you have to keep decimal. Same way how you taught you here, the same way after 3 digits. 64, 1, 2, one more we have to keep 0, then point. So be careful with decimals. Coming to 19th problem. 3a to the power of 7b minus 81 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4. Solution given. 3a to the power of 7 into b plus 81 into a to the power of 4 into b to the power of 4. On the whole, maximum how much common you can take, that much you can take common. Here 3 table is common. 3 goes 1 times, 3 goes 27 times. Here a to the power of 7 is there, here a to the power of 4 is there. So a to the power of 4 highest in both the terms. So a to the power of 4 you take common. Here b is there, here b to the power of 4 is there. So b you can take common. Maximum. So what is left in the first term is just a cube is left. Here 7 is there. So here 4 came outside means 3 will be inside. 3 goes in 81, 27 times. Now a to the power of 4 as it is. Now one b came outside, so b cube will be left. Now 3a to the power of 4b into a cube minus 3b whole cube. How 3 cube? You know 27 already. 3 cube means 27. B cube. So 3b whole cube. Which formula? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now what you took common you write first. 3a to the power of 4b into, in the place of a is there, in the place of b 3b is there. So a minus 3b into a square plus a into 3b plus 3b whole square. Now simplify it. 3a to the power of 4b into a minus 3b into a square as it is plus 3ab. A into 3b is 3ab plus 3b whole square means 9b square. 20th problem. A cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a. Solution given. A cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a. Take first two terms in one bracket, and from the next two terms you take minus 2 common, and remaining is minus will become plus, and here a will be there. Plus becomes minus, and 2 we have taken common. 2 goes into 1 time. So a minus 1 by a will be left in the bracket. Now a cube minus 1 by a cube I can write as a cube minus b cube formula. If I write 1 by a cube, sir, it is not there, no, sir. So here 1 by a whole cube. Both meaning same only. You have to be careful because 1 cube means 1 only. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now a cube minus 1 by a whole cube minus 2 into a minus 1 by a. Now we know the formula, just now I taught you. A minus 1 by a plus a square plus a into 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square. Now a into 1 by a minus 1 by a into a square plus 1 how you got? A get cancelled, 1s are 1 plus 1 square means 1 only, a square. Here 1 by a whole square, 1s are 1 only, here a square. Don't forget this last term, second term, minus 2 into a minus 1 by a. Now, two terms are there, first term, second term. In first term and second term, a minus 1 by a is common. So, you are taking common outside and what is left means a square plus 1 plus 1 by a square minus 2. We have taken common, minus 2. Here simplification is there, plus 1 and minus 2. So, a minus 1 by a into a square plus 1 by a square minus 1. And the second problem, 250 into a minus b whole cube plus 2. Solution given, 250 into a minus b whole cube plus 2. On the whole, I am taking 2 table as common. 2 goes in 250 125 times into a minus b whole cube plus here 2 goes into 1 time. So we have taken 2 table as common. Now 125 we can write as 5 cube. So find the factors for 125. 5 goes 25 times. Again 5 goes 5 times. So 125 we can write as 5 cube. This is part and parcel of the problem. So here I am writing as 5 into a minus b whole cube, because here 5 cube came, here a minus b cube is there, and combining together this is all one term only. So 5 into a minus b whole cube I am writing plus 1 cube. Sir, there is no cube. How you wrote here cube means 1. How many times we multiply also? 1 only. Now we know the formula. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now 2 into, don't forget this 2, very important, that is we have taken common. 2 into a plus b. In the place of a, 5 into a minus b plus 1. See the brackets. Brackets, square brackets. Difference is there. This is all a term, a plus b. 5 into a minus b plus 1 into a square. What is a square? 5 into a minus b whole square. This square is for 5 and this square is for a minus b also. So again, see the brackets. This is big square bracket. Inside these are the brackets. So a square completed minus ab, because here plus came, here comes minus ab. What is a? 5 into a minus b. What is b? Into 1. So ab plus b square. B square means 1 square. Now 2 into 5 into a, 5a plus into minus 5 into b, 5b plus 1. Now square is for 5 also, it will know 5 5s are 25. 25 into, you know the formula of a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Keep bracket because this 25 is for all these. Then second term starts. Now we are multiplying with minus 5. Minus 5a, because plus into minus, 5 into a, 5a. So minus 5a minus into minus plus 5b. So plus 5b Into 1 if you multiply again the same thing comes. So before only you multiplied. Plus 1 square means 1. Now 2 into 5a minus 5b plus 1 as it is, first bracket. Coming to the second bracket, multiply with 25. 25a square plus into minus 2 25 are 2 into 25 50 ab. 25 2s are 50. So 50 ab plus into plus only 125 is 25 b square. I want to explain this part. 5 5s are 25. With 25 a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So plus into plus 25 into a square is 25a square, plus into minus 25 2s are 50, ab is there, so minus 50ab, plus into plus 25 into b square is 25b square, minus 5a plus 5b plus 1. 25th problem. 32a square x cube minus 8b square x cube minus 4a square y cube plus b square into y cube. Now I am combining 32a square x cube minus this third term I am bringing and writing in the second term place, because a square is there, here a square is there. So combination, here b square is there, here b square is there. So these two we can combine in these two. From these first two terms, I can take 4a square as common. 4 goes in 32 8 times and here 4 came outside. So what is 4a square common I am taking? 8x cube minus y cube minus b square I am taking common from both the terms. Remaining is 8x cube minus y cube. What comes in the first bracket as it is should come in the second bracket. So on the whole 8x cube minus y cube is common and remaining is what? 4a square minus b square is there. Put it in the second bracket. Now we can write 8x cube as 2x whole cube minus y cube. And here we can write 4a square as 2a whole square minus b square. Now here two formulas we are coming across. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And another formula is simultaneously two formulas we are going to use. This is in the formula of a square minus b square, that is called a plus b into a minus b. So you are applying both formulas in one problem. 2x minus y into 2x whole square plus 2x into y plus y square into 2a plus b into 2a minus b. Now simplify it. 2x minus y into 4x square plus 2xy plus y square into 2a plus b into 2a minus b. So two formulas came in this problem.